Hey everyone, welcome back to Guide with Samuel, your go-to channel for simple step-by-step tech tutorials. Today, I'll show you how to add a passkey on Binance, updated for 2025. This adds an extra layer of security to your account, and it only takes a few minutes. Let's get started. Step 1. Open the Binance app and log into your account. Step 2. Tap on your profile icon in the top left corner to access account settings. Step 3. Go to Security, then scroll down and tap Passkey. Step 4. Tap Setup Passkey. Your device will show you available authentication options, usually fingerprint, Face ID, or device PIN. Step 5. Choose your preferred method and follow the on-screen prompts to create and confirm your passkey. Step 6. Once completed, Binance will confirm that your passkey is active. You can now log in faster and more securely using your biometrics or PIN. Important tip: passkeys are tied to your device. If you switch phones, you'll need to set it up again. And that's it. You've just added a passkey to your Binance account in under 2 minutes. If you found this helpful, hit like and subscribe to Guide with Samuel for more quick guides. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.